you want to check your software closing and day end summary, for this you have to click on reports, second last option till opening closing, and in this you have to select second option till closing. So in the till closing report, firstly you have to select your store, which store data you want to check, and the date range from to date you want to check, and after that you have to click on refresh. So if your manager or employee did a proper day end of software, then you can find data here. So here you can check only date of 8 March, the manager or staff did proper day end, so you can find the data here. So time of day end, time of open the software, sorry, date of open the software, and here's the time of open the software, which employee did this closing, you can check here. Total bill count of that day and total customer count of that day, total sale, total service sale, total product sale, membership sale, package sale. So here multiple types of sales you can check here, and if customer paid any pending, so you can find here. If customer having any pending amount on the same date, you can check here. So in the one row you can find all the data. If your manager or staff did proper day end, so you can find the data here. You can find the currency detail also. So you receive 600 by cash. So in the currency detail, if manager entered the count, so you can find here. So you have one note of 500, you have one note of 100, total is 600. So currency detail you can also find, and here is the option how much cash you withdraw and how much cash you keep in your drawer for the next date. So you can find here. And same if you receive amount by any other option, Paytm, check, membership, loyalty point, nearby, any other payment, if you receive by uh, receiving the payment, so you can find data here. So in the one row you can find your proper sales summary of a one day. If you have day and in others day, you can find here.